To remove the taillight, the first thing you will need to do is open the rear liftgate. Then you will need to remove the plastic bolt covers as the mechanic is doing here. Now remove the plastic cover beside the taillight. On the rear bumper under the taillight, you will notice two more plastic bolt hole covers. Take a small screwdriver and pop them out. You will now have access to 4 7mm bolts that you can now remove at this time. Below those 4 bolts, you will see a torque 25 bolt that will need to be removed. Now, you will need to pull back the wheel well liner. It is held on by clips and can be tricky to remove. Make sure to take your time and don't force anything, for you might break the plastic itself. Now that the mechanic has pulled back the wheel liner, you can see him show the clips that hold it on the vehicle. Here you will find the 7mm bolt that will need to be removed. Now with that removed, we are moving to the inner fender well. Take out the 4 Torx 15 bolts that hold it to the rear bumper. Reach in behind the rear bumper and pop it out away from the vehicle. Be careful with it because it is snapped together with plastic and you don't want a chance breaking anything. The bumper is also snapped into the bottom part of the tail light. Once you have the bumper away from the light, you can now slide the old light out. There is only one plug-in on these taillights. To remove, you must push out the red locking tab, then push the black center and pull. We are now ready to remove the plastic and install the new taillight. Be sure to plug it in before installing. Also, it can be a little tricky getting everything to slide into place, so be patient and take your time. Before you put everything back together, double check to make sure your new taillight works. As you can see, the new light works great. If you liked our video, give us a like and subscribe.